Hello dear students, you are cordially welcome to our online English class. Today I would like to talk about an important topic of English grammar. And today's lesson is suffix and prefix, which is very important in our English second paper. I hope if you follow my class and listen to me minutely, you will be able to learn in details about prefix and suffix, and you will be able to solve some problems staying at your home. You know, a suffix makes new words. First, I would like to show you on a diagram on whiteboard, like follow the whiteboard, introduction to prefix and suffix. Here I have already written root word, suffix and prefix. First prefix, in the middle root word and the last suffix. Follow the on board, un plus comfort plus able. Here un is prefix and comfort is root word, that is key word, and able is suffix. Now we can say uncomfortable. This is a new word now. Here I have made a word using prefix and suffix at a time. And the next word, non plus smoke plus er or r, that is non-smoker. In this way, we can make different types of new words by using prefix and suffix. First, I will talk about prefix, how we can use prefix. Prefix is a word or a group of words fixed before a root word to make a new word. Just here follow, like in, miss, an, etc. If we write in plus complete, we can say incomplete. Here it is a new word, incomplete. Miss plus misunderstand, an plus able, unable, in plus possible, we can say impossible, dis plus comfort, we can say discomfort, be plus full, now we can say be full. Here we have seen that by using some prefixes we have already made new words, some new words like complete, understand, unable, impossible, discomfort and full. And on the right hand, now I will talk about suffixes. Now a question may arise, what is suffixes? A suffix is a word or a group of words fixed after a root word to make a new word. Just we can say that suffix is used after a root word and prefix is used before a root word. Now I will make some new words using suffixes, like we can say beautiful, beauty, beauty plus full, we can say beautiful. Here full is a suffix. Hood, child, if we say child plus hood, we can make a new word, childhood. Real, real plus ly, really. Smoke, smoke plus ear equal to smoker. India plus yan, in yan মানে Indian. danger plus as and ly, dangerously. In this way we can make new words by using some prefixes and suffixes. So we need prefix and suffix is important in our English to develop our vocabulary and to stock of words. And we know that Parsofis are of 8 kinds. If we use prefix and suffix, we can 4 types of Parsofis like noun, verb, adverb and adjective. Like if you say that beauty is a noun, we can make it beautify. This is a verb. And we can, if we say beautiful, it is an adjective. Beautifully, it is an adverb. Here we can see that one word may create 4 Parsofis like noun, verb and adjective, and last one is adverb. And pronoun, preposition, conjunction and interjection are not the root words, so we can't make that Parsofis by using prefix and suffixes. Now I am going to talk about the question. In our question paper, suffix and prefixes are in a passive form. There is a passage about some incidents or some events, and in this passage there will be some root words which are in brackets. As a students, you have to go through the whole passage at a time and understand the theme of the passage, and then you will try to understand the meaning and try to use prefix and suffix where and which one is important or which one is usable for the gap or numbers. Like so, I have demonstrated a question in this board. Now I am reading on the passage. Like smoking is a danger, bad habit. That is, here is a danger, we have to change into suffix or prefix. If we say smoking is a danger is a noun, so it is not applicable here. We have to convert it into adverb. So smoking is a dangerously bad habit. It is harm to health. Here harm is a root word, but we have to change into suffix or prefix. It is harmful to health. Here we have used suffix with harm. It is also cost. We can say it is also costly. A smoker, here is a smoke, we make it noun. So a smoker should not smoke publicly. Here is a word is public, so we have changed it into a publicly. Smoking creates pollute. Here pollute is root word, so we have to change into it another form. So smoking creates pollution. So here we can use suffix. Smoking causes many curable diseases. We will answer this curable using prefix, like smoking causes many incurable diseases. It causes comfort to others. So we have to use here uncomfort or discomfort to others. It settle the mind. We shall use here prefix un. It unsettles the mind. Those who are aware of the bad effect of smoking, we shall say those who are unaware of the bad effect of smoking. In our answer scripts, we have to answer just the answer, like using number A, B, C, not we will use passes. This is enough today. In this way, if you try this passage or try this topic at your home through grammar book, you will be able to learn about suffix and prefixes. That's enough today. Thank you all. Now I will give you some homework. Your homework is all board questions of 2018, only suffix and prefixes. Or that is, by this time we have learned or taught about suffix and prefixes. So I think you will practice at your home just suffix and prefixes in 2018 for class 8, 9, 10, all students. And after, you have to submit your homework after reopening our schools. And if you are unable to understand somewhere or something, or if you can't understand in these lessons, you may remark or comment. There is a comment or remark mark in this topic, and after the lessons, some days when you will ask me about problems or misunderstanding, I will try to make you understand or understand the difficult topics or misunderstanding topics. Thank you all.